The OS MasterMap Highways Network is the most complete, detailed and accurate navigable road network dataset for Great Britain. And the way that it gets delivered from Ordnance Survey is via multiple GZ files. And what we're going to do within SIS is we're going to load in these GZ files so that we can use the topological network to do some routing and show you how it works. So what I can do is I can go to my home menu and I can say that I want to add an overlay. And from our Ordnance Survey option, you'll see that we've got a MasterMap Highways Network. So if I click Next, the system remembers where those GZ files that we were loaded in from last time, so we can pick the Highways folder. And when we click Finish, what you'll see in the bottom left-hand corner is it's loading all of those GZ files in to provide one topological network that allows us to do routing on it. So you'll see it's loaded the data in, and if I just zoom in, you'll be able to see all the links and all the nodes that go with those links and what we can do because SIS understands how to read that data. You'll see that we can turn these features on and off as we see fit, which is great. Taking that one step further, what it also allows us to do, using the free routing tools that you can download from the Cadcorp portal, we could say that as a basic example, we want to measure a route. So we want to measure a route based on our OS Highways data. We're going to create a line as well, and what we can do is go from one side of Brighton straight to the other. And what it'll do is it'll create us a line using the network to work out kind of one way, no left-hand turn, no right-hand turn, proper routing information. And it tells us it's going to take 4 minutes and 19 seconds, which is brilliant. What we can then do is take that one step further and do a little bit of advanced routing. So now we've got a council office, and we want to know how far we can get from that council office within 1, 2, and 3 minutes. So again, we just use our OS Highways data. Click OK, and what you'll see in the back is it's created as a routable network, and now we can see exactly how far we can get from that particular point on the map within the specified time limit. So this is just an easy way of showing what the highways data from Ordnance Survey can do and how it is loaded into the SIS application.